Hi everybody, I hope you're all doing well and are having a dry day, because we're here in Penang. It is currently sprinkling with some raindrops. A little drizzle, but not too much, so it's a little bit cloudy. I'm currently on my way to the Thai restaurant. It's called Chok Di Thai restaurant in Georgetown, Penang. And it's been about maybe, I think, 6 months since I've had Thai food. So today, well actually the past week, I've wanted to eat Thai food. Yeah, for the past week. So I found a place online where I'm currently walking, and hopefully find some get some food, some Thai food, because I've been craving it a lot. It's hard to explain, man. I gotta get my papaya salad in me. I gotta get the tom yum soup in me, and I cannot wait to eat. I haven't ate anything all day, so I'm pretty excited about this restaurant, and I can't wait to eat this food. All right, guys, I will see you Chok Di Thai restaurant. Let's try out the drink. Size. Oh, it's the fish. Wow. Yeah, thank you. This is gonna be the biggest lunch in Penang. Okay, everybody. So right now I'm about to try the tom yum seafood. Here we go. First one. Oh yeah, sour, spicy. I just ate the lemongrass. I already feel like I'm back in Thailand. Amazing. And my seafood has my seafood tom yum has the prawns in there, has the fish. I'll show you the fish right now. Here's the fish. This is amazing. I'm so happy I'm here right now. Fish going in. Up next we got the shrimp. I'll show you right now. Here's the shrimp. Shrimp. In the tom yum soup, you guys can also see the calamari in here. With the calamari. Tom yum, all done. Plastic roll salad up next. I think I definitely ordered way too much food than I could eat, but we will see how far I can make it with my stomach. All right, here we go. Plastic roll salad. Let's do it. The glass noodles, it's spicy. It has the glass noodles in there, onions, tomatoes, calamari inside, and some green onions with some sauce on top. Very good. So I'm not even halfway done with my noodles, and I'm already feeling kind of full. So this was definitely way too much food for me to eat for today. But I'm gonna try and do my best and finish my meals. But yeah, I'm already feeling the food in my stomach. Noodles, the glass noodles are all finished, and right now I'm about to start off my chicken. If I have enough room after my chicken, I will probably start on my fish, but it's a long way from now, so I might make it, I might not make it, so we will see. But chicken up next. Looks like we have the chicken, basil, red chili peppers, and I think soy sauce or some sort of a brown sauce. Here we go. Very nice. Very good. Spicy, flavorful, and very good. One more bite. Wow. Three plates are down. Tom yum soup is gone. The glass noodles are finished, and also the chicken and basil is also done. And my last dish is the fish, which I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm not gonna finish because I think I just ate way too much food for today. I ordered 4 different plates, and I think it was way too much food. But I'm gonna give the fish a go, see how it is. It's the fish with lemon, with I think lemon broth, and garlic on top. So let's try out the juices. Okay, let's go with the juice. Whoa. Spicy, sweet, surprisingly, and you can taste the garlic in there, the lemon, and the peppers as well. Very spicy. Oh yeah, look at that piece right there. Look at that piece right there. Full of fish. Okay, let's give it a shot. Okay. Very good. The sauce, the broth, and then the fish goes very well together. Okay. Okay everybody, so I just finished eating my meal at the Chokji Thai restaurant. In total, I paid 144 ringgit for my meal, and I'm not really sure on the price down below, the exact price in US dollars, but I'm gonna leave the link down below to tell you the exact price. It was a lot of food, I'm not gonna lie. I could not finish the dish at the end of my meal. It was just way too much. I couldn't do it. Like I'm usually pretty good at finishing food and like having nothing left on the plates, but today there's just no way I could have done it. I mean, I ordered tom yum soup, glass noodle salad, soup lemongrass teas, for chicken. I ordered rice, and then plus the fish. Nah. Yeah, so like there's no way I would have finished that plate. It was just too much for me to handle. I definitely felt like I was in Thailand, for sure. The taste of it, the freshness of it, the tom yum soup especially, man. That really made my day. I really wanted to get some tom yum for the past week, and here I was eating tom yum soup at this restaurant. I'm gonna leave the address down below, and also I'm gonna share the link below my video. Thank you for watching, guys. Comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next travel video in Malaysia. All right, take care, guys. All the best.